Need to save $500 fast? Here's a super easy way to get it, even if you're starting from scratch. First, cut the big three for just 14 days. These are the things that drain your money the fastest: eating out, daily snacks and drinks, and impulse shopping. Just stopping these for 2 weeks can save you between $80 and $120 right away. Second, sell 5 things you're not using anymore. Take a look around your room. I bet you have old shoes, clothes, or electronics just sitting there. Put them on Facebook Marketplace or offer. Most people can easily make $100 to $250 in a single day. Third, pick up one quick side task. You could do Uber Eats, DoorDash, or even help someone move through an app like TaskRabbit. Just 3 to 5 hours of work can net you an extra $40 to $80. Finally, try the 24-hour no-spend rule for a week. Whenever you want to buy something, just wait 1 full day before you do. This simple trick can stop you from spending $50 to $100 on impulse buys. Do all 4 of these, and you'll hit that $500 goal faster than you think. Small changes really do add up. Follow for more easy money tips.